Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel a spell upgrade in Clash of Clans. First, locate your active spell factory or dark spell factory within your village. This is where spell upgrades are managed. Tap on the factory structure that is currently busy with an upgrade. This action will open a menu, showing you the upgrade in progress and offering further options. This initial step is crucial for accessing the cancellation feature. Once you have tapped on the spell factory, a small window will appear. Look for the spell icon that shows a green progress bar or clearly states upgrading. This visual cue confirms that an upgrade for that specific spell is underway. Tap on that individual spell icon to bring up its details. This will display information like the remaining upgrade time and the option to cancel, ensuring you select the correct one you intend to stop. After tapping the specific spell icon, you will see a prominent cancel button. Carefully read the information provided on this screen to ensure you understand the implications. Tap the cancel button and a confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you are sure. This is your final chance to stop the process before it's irreversible. Select Confirm to finalize the cancellation, releasing the spell factory for other tasks. Upon successful cancellation, you will receive a refund of your spent resources. This refund amounts to 50% of the total elixir or dark elixir initially invested in the upgrade. For instance, if you spent 3 million elixir, you would get back 1,500,000 elixir. These resources are immediately deposited back into your respective storage tanks, becoming available for other upgrades or troop training. Builder potions and similar items are not refunded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.